How to order from Amazon without an account, tutorial 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you want to buy something from Amazon, but you don't have an account, and honestly you don't feel like creating one just for a single purchase. I get it. In this video I am going to walk you through everything, what actually works, what doesn't, and every workaround available to you right now in 2026. Let's get straight into it. Before we go any further, let me be completely upfront with you. Amazon has a strict policy that requires you to create an account before you are able to buy anything off of Amazon. You can look around and even add things to your cart, but you cannot actually order anything without an account. That is the official policy. However, there are some workarounds and alternative methods that can get you what you need, so stick with me because I am going to cover every single option. Some users do have access to a limited guest checkout feature, depending on their region and device. Amazon's guest checkout option provides a convenient way for first-time buyers or those who prefer not to create an account to make purchases. Instead of signing up for an account, you provide your email address, shipping information, and payment details for a single transaction. Here is how to try it. Go to Amazon.com in your browser. Search for the item you want and add it to your cart. Click Proceed to Checkout. Now look carefully at the sign-in page. Look for an option that says Continue as Guest or Checkout as Guest. Proceed to checkout and select Checkout as Guest when prompted to sign in. Enter shipping and payment details without creating an account. If the guest option isn't visible, clear browser cookies or try a different device. This feature is not available to everyone and may not be accessible for every item, so if you don't see it, don't panic, move on to the next option. Now be aware of the limitations. Guest checkout is available but still needs an email to send order details. Without an account, you cannot access order history or manage returns easily. As a guest user, you should be aware that you won't have the ability to save your order history or manage your Amazon account settings. So keep that in mind, you lose a lot of convenience with this method. If guest checkout is not showing up for you, here is the fastest and most reliable method. Just create a quick Amazon account. I know you didn't want to hear that, but listen. Creating an Amazon account is very simple and only takes a few minutes to do. It is also completely free, so you won't be charged to set up an account to place an order. The only time you will be charged to have an account is if you get Amazon Prime. Here is how to do it in under 2 minutes. Go to Amazon.com and click Sign in the top right corner. Click Create your Amazon account. Enter your name and email address and create a password. Verify your email address with the code Amazon sends you, and you are done. That is literally it, no credit card needed just to create the account. You only enter payment information when you are ready to check out. If privacy is your concern, use a secondary email address that you only use for online shopping. To maintain privacy, use a secondary email. This keeps your primary inbox clean and your personal email separate from Amazon. This one is straightforward and works every single time. If guest checkout is not an option, you could request a friend or family member with an existing account to buy the item for you. Simply find the item you want on Amazon, send them the link, reimburse them the cost, and have it shipped to your address. Just make sure they update the shipping address to yours before placing the order. Quick, easy, no account needed on your end. Here is a method most people don't know about. Amazon Pay is a payment service that lets you use your Amazon payment information to check out on thousands of other websites. But here is the flip side. Many third-party online stores let you use Amazon Pay as a guest buyer to purchase items. So if the item you want is available on another website that accepts Amazon Pay, you may be able to check out with minimal information without needing a full Amazon account. A lot of products sold on Amazon are actually listed by independent third-party sellers who also have their own websites. Here is what to do. Find the item you want on Amazon, note the seller's name. Search for that seller's own website on Google. Many of these sellers offer guest checkout on their own stores, no Amazon account required. You get the same product, often at the same or even a lower price without ever needing an Amazon account. Before we wrap up, a few key things. If you do create an Amazon account and only want to use it once, you can delete the account afterwards by going to Settings, then close your account and following the prompts. This removes your data from Amazon's system. Also, you can create an account later if you initially check out as a guest. So if you start as a guest and decide you want order tracking and returns, you can always upgrade later. And those are all your options for ordering from Amazon without an account in 2026. Try guest checkout first, create a quick free throwaway account if needed. Ask a trusted friend or family member, use Amazon Pay on other sites, or buy directly from the seller's own website. One of these methods will absolutely work for your situation. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment below telling me which method worked best for you. I will catch you in the next one.